Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and I welcome you here today. This video is for my May breast cancer awareness tag for Mrs. Cronalls, who was diagnosed December of 2018 with breast cancer. I am happy to announce she has had her 5th and final treatment of chemo and seems to be doing great. Previous reports by her has stated that everything has shrunk. Praise God for that. She is still on a road, on a journey, and we are still keeping her in our prayers and thoughts. Today, on my flexi hand, we are going to be doing our manicure. My shade of pink, wish it had a name, but it is a neon pink by Sally Girl from Sally's Beauty. It is a really cool color. The only bummer is it's a mini. So there's not much in this bottle. I had to fight with it to finish this one. It looks like I'll be visiting to see if they have any more in stock. I bought this. I don't know if this was last year I bought this. A year ago, and it's pretty well gone, but it helped us get through to do this manicure. My flexi hand's name is Haley Marie. She had her premiere the other day. She is sporting a new thumb ring. Had that on back order, so we've got that going now, which is really cool. For my manicure today, I'm going to be using a She Modern awareness ribbon. I am going to be hopefully attempting to color the back of it in pink, which I don't know if I should do that over the nail or just put the hollow and let the pink show through that way. Decisions. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll try it without pink coloring it in and see how we go. You want to sit there for 10, 15, 20 seconds maybe and let it part ways. I have got my trusty ice cube stamper from Maniology. We're going to be doing a pickup with that and applying. I'm also going to be applying on my ring finger a sticky base coat by Pro FX. Found this on its last clearance days at Walmart when they were outing the Pro FX line. Such a bummer too. I really like their products. But I hear Ollie's carry some. I still haven't went there and checked that out. Maybe today. Maybe. We'll see. I know I got a manicure to do later today, so we'll see. Have your tissue ready so you can blot out the wetness. Okay, you pick this up just like you were doing a regular pickup. Like you were stamping an image. There we go. What do you think? Can we see it good? We got a hair straggler here at the bottom from stamping. I think that looks great as it is. I'm going to go in with a water-based No Smudge top coat by Born Pretty. Whoopsie. There you go, Sassy. There's your whoopsie for today. Hopefully there won't be many more. Okay, we got that on there and letting that dry. Oh, shoot. I've got on my desk probably, my desk is very unorganized. I'm not going to do a tour of it because that'd be a shame. There is probably at least between top coats, base coats, no smudge, water base, 3-in-1, sticky base. Some colors, I probably have a good 50 bottles of nail polish sitting here that are just, like, I have a lot of top coats sitting here. Some are from Born Pretty, or not Born Pretty, Broadway. Some are from a different Dollar Tree. just trying things out for my nail art and such, but there's a lot. I am going to be going in with, I think I picked this up at my church at the yard sale. It's this opal right here. I think it's by Avon, I'm not sure, but there's some little sparkly deliciousness in there. Look at that. So I'm going to apply this on the nails, give a little bit of sass. Sometimes you gotta play around with it to get some of the, I don't know if you want to call them glitter bits, shards. I guess you'd call them glitter bits. Just trying to get some on each nail. Oh yeah, there's some. I was going to put a little bit of bling. But I really like these. I just wish it showed up more. I'm going to try to put some around my decal, but I don't seem to be wanting to come out there. Try to stir it up, get me a good amount. Oh, there we go on that one. Let me try to take it over this one. Huh. I guess that's the key, to stir it up. Wipe one side. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Can you see the glittery deliciousness? Let me see. Can you see the little sparkly deliciousness on the nails? I think this manicure, I mean, I know this is probably going to be a short, sweet video, but I think this is really cute. I don't even have my top coat unpacked. Let me pause this and I'll be right back. Oops, are we back? We're back. Sorry about that. Couldn't see. I'm going to let this dry down for just a second. I'm going to be applying on top my sesh feet. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be putting on the top of it. I know this is an expensive brand to be putting on my fake hands here, my flexi hand. But I want to save my manicures, especially my breast cancer tag ones, because, you know, I do put a lot of effort into thinking and planning. You know, I want them to be special for Catherine. So I am going to be using my sesh feet. Going to go in, cap the end of your nails. Have you a nice bead. One stroke down each side, back down the center. Cap your nails. Ladies, make sure you're doing your monthly breast exam, your self-breast exam. The key is to early awareness, detection. And there we go. Haley Marie is done with her very first manicure with her name. I think this turned out really super cute. You'll notice she does have a, it is a pink and gray glove. Sporting for the occasion to show support. I wish it was a breast cancer glove. If anybody has a breast cancer awareness glove, let me know and send it to me. I would be so appreciative. That would be so getting tongue tied here. That would be just wonderful. That would just be fitting. Well, I think we've come to the end of our video here for our May edition of Breast Cancer Awareness Tag. We used the Neon Pink by Sally Girl. We used She Modern's Awareness Ribbon. I left it hollow. I wasn't sure if I colored the back of it in pink, it would show up on the pink nails. So we left it hollow for just because, but it is for breast cancer awareness, which is pink, 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 pink. Save the tatas. And again, to update you if you're skipping through the video, Mrs. Cronalls has had her 5th and final chemo treatment and is doing wonderfully. She is, there's no reason, I mean, I'm not a doctor, but we're praying for a full recovery, for no more cancer, that she has kicked it in the, you know what. So we're at the end here. Show your support, click like, click share, subscribe. yeah. So have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you for watching.